So whether you're a tradie, off-roader, adventurer, you'll already know that Safari has been the go-to snorkel on the LandCruiser for years. So upon announcement of Toyota's new LC300 series, Safari straight away put their research, development and design teams straight to work so they could respond and bring to market the globally respected, much loved V-SPEC Snorkel for this model. So this trusted Safari Snorkel can now partner you and your 300 series in the off-road and adventure world and help protect and feed this stunning new twin-turbo V6 diesel engine. A raised, watertight, rammed air inlet to your engine, designed to prevent the damage and havoc caused by water ingestion, water crossings, flood, high tides, minimise dust ingestion, promote cooler air intake, and the water separating air ram will remove water particles from the incoming airstream. And being the V-SPEC, it incorporates those benefits, but it's designed, engineered, and bench flow tested to flow the required amount of air by the vehicle's OE or standard air cleaner assembly. And that's seriously critical integration between snorkel and airbox happens via this, a CAD designed and engineered EPDM connection that's ribbed for strength so it doesn't deform and ensures a perfect seal. And it's not only robust, but seriously, how precise is this fit to the bodywork? Beautiful. This cleverly crafted piece is actually made from Safari's own industrial spec UV stabilised polyethylene material, and it comes with stainless hardware, giving ultimate protection against the elements, because Safari intends that the snorkel will last the same lifetime as your vehicle. This snorkel, designed, developed, manufactured right here in Australia for Australian conditions by a 100% Australian family-owned business who are and always have been the snorkel people. So if you're serious about a snorkel on your new 300 series, I reckon you'll agree with me. This is a no-brainer.